Well, CBI is going to question Abhishek Banerjee's wife, Rujira Banerjee, in the coal scam case tomorrow. This after, earlier today, Rujira responded to the central agency's notice, saying that CBI team can visit her between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow. In her letter, Rujira, however, mentioned that she is unaware of why she has been summoned. Meanwhile, 6 CBI officers visited the residence of Banerjee's sister-in-law, Menaka Gambhir, in fact, to question her in the case as well. The probe team is also going to make another visit to Abhishek Banerjee's house to question his wife, Rujira Narula. This after a 3-member team had to return from a house yesterday after finding that Narula wasn't there. Sources in the CBI claim that Narula's name cropped up during its investigation into smuggling of illegally mined coal involving smuggling racket operating in western part of Bengal. Sources say that during the course of investigation, the CBI came across the material hinting alleged involvement of Narula in this scam.
এত ভয় এখন আবার আমার সাথে না লড়াই করে আমার বউকে টার্গেট করেছে কি বলছে আমার বউ নাকি 2 বছর আগে এয়ারপোর্টে সোনা নিয়ে ধরা পড়েছিল তো তোর সিআইএসএফ আর সিবিআই কি নাকে নস্যি দিয়ে ঘুমাচ্ছিল যখন ধরা পড়েছিল এয়ারপোর্টে তো 500 সিসিটিভি ক্যামেরা আছে আমি তো চ্যালেঞ্জ করছি যদি ধরা পড়ে থাকে সিসিটিভি ক্যামেরার ফুটেজ কেন তোমরা পাবলিশ করছো না কেন প্রকাশ্যে আনছো না আমি তো পরের দিন সাংবাদিক বৈঠক করে বলেছিলাম আর আমি তো বলেছি আমার তোলাবাজির প্রমাণ দিতে পারলে ওই বীরেন্দ্রনাথ শাসমল যেমন বলেছিল না দাঁড় করিয়ে পুড়িও আমিও বলবো দাঁড় করিয়ে আমাকে ফাঁসির মঞ্চে নিয়ে চলো মৃত্যুবরণ করব
দিল্লির কোন নেতা বাঙালিদের মেরুদণ্ড কি করে ভেঙে দিতে হয় আমরা জানি আমি বলি আসুন না একটু চেষ্টা করে দেখুন না অনেকবার তো ভেঙে দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করেছেন আজও করছেন আপনাদের ধমকানি চমকানি আর জেল টেল দেখি প্লিজ আমাদের ভয় দেখাবেন না আমাদের মেরুদণ্ড ভেঙে দেওয়া অত সহজ নয়
All right, my colleague Surya Agni is getting us the very latest on that story. Joins us from Kolkata. Surya Agni, just to put this into perspective, also clarify for us, Rujira is going to appear before the CBI, she says, by 11 a.m. tomorrow. Is that what she said in that letter essentially? And what about Menaka? Is she going to be questioned once again?
Well, if we speak of Rujira Narula Banerjee, wife of Abhishek Banerjee, she has written a letter to the CBI wherein she has stated that however she does not know the reason for the questioning or the probe which she will join, but she is ready to join in for the probe and she will be answering the questions that the CBI will be asking her. But she has given the CBI a stipulated time of 11 to 3 for tomorrow and she has requested the CBI to come down to her residence, that is the Harish Mukherjee Street residence in South Kolkata, where the CBI team had arrived yesterday afternoon. Secondly, if we speak of Menaka Gambhir, we are still in front of Menaka Gambhir's residence in Anandpur Goria area of Kolkata. Like just around an hour back, the team, the two teams of CBI, including 6, having total 6 members, they had arrived over here. They are still in. Questioning is still on. What we gather from our CBI sources is that yesterday itself, Menaka Gambhir had stated to the CBI that she will be, she is ready to answer the questions that the CBI will be asking her. And since then, the CBI was scheduled to come to Menaka Gambhir's residence at around 11. But around, they did come, however, but after an hour or so, it's almost been 50 minutes plus that the two CBI teams, have gone inside and haven't, come back. The questions that the CBI might ask Menaka are still unknown because there are still speculations whether the CBI are considering Menaka to be a witness or has her name cropped up in the ongoing investigation in whichever capacity. That is still unknown. So these are the questions that the CBI will be slowly answering on how and why the role of Menaka Gambhir has come out in this particular episode.
Yes.
So as of now, the investigation is still on. Questioning of Menaka Gambhir is still on at her residence. It's been
questioning of Menaka Gambhir is on, and Rujira Narula, of course, has said that she's going to appear before the investigators tomorrow, is what she says in that letter. Well, she is another important person as far as the coal scam is concerned. But who are the other players? Let's take a look at what sources within the CBI are indicating. Rujira Narula Banerjee is the wife of Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek's wife. She, in fact, is one of the key players in this, according to the CBI. Menaka Gambhir is the sister of Rujira Narula. She is Abhishek Banerjee's sister-in-law, essentially. So it's all within the family is what the CBI seems to be suggesting. There is another person, he's a youth leader associated with the TMC and very, very close to Abhishek Banerjee. And also Anup Maji is the mastermind of all of this, as per the Central Bureau of Investigation. Munish Pandey tracks the CBI for us. Munish, I want to specifically ask you about the role of Anup Maji. Very little is known about this person. Who exactly is he? Tell us more.
Your Sneha, in the FIR which has been lodged by the Central Bureau of Investigation, they have named Anup Maji as an accused in the case, and also in the detailing of the FIR, what they have claimed that Anup Maji was the organizer of this entire coal theft and coal smuggling case. According to the Central Bureau of Investigation, Anup Maji was summoned, he was questioned, and later on, what they came to know that there are many politicians and officials from the government, including the CISF officials, railway officials and the officials from the Eastern Coalfield Limited. They are the main accused in the case, and they were running the entire syndicate of coal smuggling from West Bengal in the nearby border areas of other states. Now, as far as Rujira Narula is concerned, what CBI claims that initially she was not suspected or accused in the case, but later on, when they raided several premises since the month of November until few days back, they came across several material evidence in which Rujira Narula's role has appeared, and the same cases with her sister, Menaka Gambhir. So at this point of time, CBI is going by the material evidence which they collected during the raids in connection with this case. And apart from that, they have also recorded several statements in which Rujira Narula's name has appeared. So that is why she has been summoned under Section 160. That is a witness statement, and they want to clarify certain aspects. As of now, it is not clear whether there was any financial transaction involving Rujira Narula or her sister, but CBI claims that this is a very important case for them. But the timing is, of course, under question, because still now CBI had not questioned or summoned Rujira Narula or her sister, but just before the election, summoning her and questioning her is, of course, going to raise some questions over the time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Munish Pandey getting us all of those details as far as the CBI's investigation in the illegal coal scam case is concerned. Meanwhile, the CBI's team heat on Abhishek Banerjee has raised the political temperatures in Bengal. BJP has raised this matter of Abhishek's wife, Rujira Banerjee, holding a passport, in fact, of Thailand for the last 34 years, but calling herself an Indian. So they say that she's not even an Indian, essentially questioning her nationality. BJP MP Arjun Singh tweeted a video of Abhishek Banerjee where he is seen saying that Rujira has had a Thailand passport for the last 34 years. The BJP MP then tweeted pictures of Rujira's director identification number where she has marked her nationality as Indian. The BJP MP said that this is the reason why the Banerjees are afraid of showing their papers. Earlier, Trinamool Congress leader Suvindo Adhikari accused Rujira of hiding illegal wealth in Thailand. Meanwhile, TMC has cried vendetta, saying that all central agencies have become BJP offices, and this is Saffron Party's bid to malign Mamata Banerjee's government.
আমার বউ জন্ম থেকে শুরু করে তার থাই পাসপোর্ট, এই না যে 5 বছর আগে থেকে হয়েছে। From the last 34 years, she's holding Thai passport. What is the problem? আমার বউ জন্ম থেকে শুরু করে তার থাই পাসপোর্ট, এই না যে 5 বছর আগে থেকে হয়েছে। From the last 34 years, she's holding Thai passport. What is the problem?
Now BJP is left with no allies. Akali Dal has left, other people have left. So their only allies are CBI and ED. Whatever CBI notice has been issued will be dealt with legally. There is no problem about that, but it is evidently an effort to browbeat us. We must send out the message that we are not going to be threatened or browbeaten by any such effort.
ওনার জেলেরও ভয় আছে। লালু প্রসাদ জেল থেকে জিতেছেন, জেনে রাখুন জেলে থাকলে কি হয়। আর উনি তো 18টা গোল খেয়েছেন আমাদের কাছে, 1.5 ডজন লোকসভাতে। এবারে পুরো 200 গোল দেবো, এটা যেন জেনে রাখেন। লালু প্রসাদ একদম জীবন্ত উদাহরণ আছে, রুটি ভাত কিছুই খেতে পারছেন, এত সুগার হয়েছে। সেটা চান যদি তার সে সুযোগ আসবে, কারণ কি সবে তো হাত পৌঁছেছে সিবিআই।
सबको मालूम है एक कुल स्मगलिंग, सैंड स्मगलिंग, स्टोन स्मगलिंग और गाँव तस्करी, गाय का तस्करी, इस सभी में तोलाबाज भाईपो और उसकी एसोसिएट सब जुड़ा हुआ है। ये सबको मालूम है, सीबीआई को कार्रवाई करना चाहिए। अरे पूरा के पूरा सबूत लेकर तो सीबीआई काम कर रहा है, सबूत तो सबका हाथ में घूम रहा है। वो मैडम नरोदा डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है तो पता चल गया ना।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.